Welcome to Mustang Motorsport. Today we're looking at this Roush R8 Aero Body Kit featured on this 2019 Roush RS3. So the front part of the kit includes a Roush front splitter with integrated canards. This is also supported underneath by reinforced bracketry. It also has a high flow lower grille to allow more air into the radiator to keep it cool on track. It also has integrated corner pocket kits underneath the lights, which add a bit more aggression to the Roush front bumper bar. The kit also includes Roush heat extractors, which replace the factory hood vents. Down the side of the vehicle, there is color-coded Roush side scoops and window scoops, just to add a little bit more classic design to the vehicle. Moving on to the rear of the car, we have the Roush rear boot spoiler. This is available in body color or in a satin black finish. So the Roush rear spoiler goes onto the end of the boot lid, which adds an extra length to the back of the car, and when viewing from behind makes the Mustang look much wider and more aggressive. The last piece of the kit is the Roush aerofoils, which attach to the bottom of the rear valance. These enhance aerodynamics underneath the vehicle. All these parts featured today are available individually on Mustang Motorsport's online store. You can fit these at home or by the team at Mustang Motorsport, so give us a call and book in your Mustang today.